In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to use the remote start on a 2023 Buick Enclave. Pretty simple process once you know what you're looking for. I'm going to look at the remote first, make sure it has this little button on it that looks like a half a circle with an arrow on it. That is the remote start button. The first thing you'll do is you will lock the vehicle, and I'm going to lock it twice on this remote. It's the center button here. I'm going to lock it twice. You'll hear it honk. Then I'm going to press down and hold the remote start button. I just heard the vehicle start up. You'll notice that the parking brakes or the parking lights will turn on. That tells you that the vehicle is running if you're not next to the vehicle. Then once you're ready to drive the vehicle, you'll hop in it. You'll notice that the vehicle is not, doesn't look like it's ready to drive, and it is not. It's in a mode that is just the vehicle's running. It doesn't allow it to drive. So set it up to drive, you'll just push on the brake pedal, hit the start button like you normally would, and the instrument panel will light up, and you are now ready to drive. It's a cool little feature that allows you to remote start it. If you thought this video was helpful, give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.